Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna teach you how to decorate Easter eggs. First we need empty eggshell. We remove the egg yolk and egg white inside by making two little holes on the bottom and the top of the eggshell and blow it hard. Here are the materials we will need for our eggs. First we need acrylic paint, oil pastels, glue. You can also use clear glue or white glue, scissors. Kids, be careful of the scissors because you might get hurt. Tell your mom to help you cut. And glitter if you like to make your eggs so beautiful. And some bubble wrap. And net apple wrap. Tape. You can use decorations like butterflies, buttons, little balls like this, and you can use foil, glue gun, and be careful of the glue gun too because glue gun is very hot. Tell your mom to help you. Tissue roll to hold your egg when we are painting. Now let's start! So I'm gonna decorate the egg with acrylic paint. I'm gonna use net and put the acrylic paint, spread it here, and I'm gonna roll the egg. I'm gonna use orange first. Open it and put some water on my brush and dip it. I think that's so many. Okay, that's enough. Now spread it. I'm so excited. Wow, beautiful. So beautiful. I like this color. Orange. It's so shiny. For the next decoration, we will use glue gun. Mom, can you help me? It's not stinky. Oh. Oh no, Mama! Come on, be careful. That's really hot. We're gonna put acrylic paint on it. we're gonna wrap the egg with foil and put some decorations. Now we're gonna put glitter on the egg. Now here are my eggs. I have the glitter egg, oil pastel egg, the foil egg that looks like a sea monster, and the acrylic patterned eggs, the rounded egg, and this egg. I hope you like this and learn from me. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.